Now this was another one of those. This was the Australian plane crash. Now what do you see missing from this supposed burned out car? Door handles. Everything's missing. Also, the gas cap's missing. Well, the gas cap may be plastic, but the gas door, see that? That's metal. So you have these missing. Again. Door handles. So this was another one of these. So that's what you got to look for, stuff like this. This was an Australian crash. So probably Anaconda with malt liquor would know about this one.